Governor Parson says the state is looking to take some legal action against the St. Louis Post-Dispatch after one of its reporters exposed a flaw in the state's DESE website.
I was at the press briefing at the state capitol this morning when Governor Parson addressed the website breach. The governor saying hundreds of thousands of Missouri educators' social security numbers could have been leaked. Tonight, Parson calling one reporter a hacker, even though he found the data on a public website and let the state know about it before publishing a story.
This individual did not have permission to do what they did. They had no authorization to convert or decode, so this was clearly a hack.
Hundreds of thousands of Missouri educators' social security numbers basically accessible to the public. A St. Louis Post-Dispatch reporter discovering the flaw when opening the website's HTML code. But before airing out the issue in the newspaper, they let the state know about it. Governor Parson not quite welcoming to that notice and calling the reporter a hacker.
It is unlawful to access encoded data and systems in order to examine other people's personal information.
The state saying the records of at least 3 educators were exposed before it could disable and remove public access from the educator certification search tool where the vulnerability existed. The Post-Dispatch saying its reporter did the right thing in passing along the confidential information to the state before publishing a story. Parson said because the reporter had no authorization to decode the information, he was in the wrong.
This individual is not a victim. They were acting against a state agency to compromise teachers' personal information in an attempt to embarrass the state and sell headlines for their news outlet.
We got this statement from the Post-Dispatch attorney saying, quote, "Here there was no breach of any firewall or security and certainly no malicious intent. For DESE to deflect its failures by referring to this as hacking is unfounded," end quote.
Parson said the Cole County prosecutor and the Missouri State Highway Patrol Digital Investigation Unit are now investigating and says it could cost taxpayers up to $50 million. In a statement, Cole County prosecutor Locke Thompson said he will review the evidence and determine whether criminal charges are appropriate.